Unlock your design potential. Learn how to create style tables in Canva that will elevate your presentations and make your data shine. Perfect for students, professionals, and anyone who loves clean, organized visuals. So hey guys, and welcome again in another video where I will show you how you can make a table with Canva.com. So first of all, Canva, it refers to the process of using the platform's tools and features to design and customize tables for organizing data and/or information visually. This can include adjusting cell sizes, adding text, incorporating colors and styles, and integrating tables into broader designs like reports or presentations. Canva simplifies this process with its intuitive interface, making it easy to create professional-looking tables without advanced design skills. So to get started, you have just to click over sign up and write your email address and your password, then you will find this page. First of all, you have just to click over here, search your content in Canva, then you select Canva templates, then I will click over table here, and I will select the table that I want. For example, I will select, this one, then I will click over customize this template. Once you do that, you will find this page. I will just zoom. Then you will add a page here. Then right now you have just to click over this one first of all, and you copy this one. Then I will paste it here. For example, I will select the color, select for example white, or I will select another color. For example, I will select this one. Then I will select also here this one, or I will just do duplicate here. Then I will select the color, for example like that, or I will select another one. For example, I'll select this one, or I will select here this one. Then I will duplicate again, duplicate again, and that's it. So this is it. So here we have it about this first side. Then I will select here this one. I will select for example this one. I will copy it. Then I will paste it here. So I'll select color also, for example this one. Then I have the same one here. Duplicate. This is, here we have it. Then I will just select the same. I will duplicate again. Duplicate. This is it. Duplicate again. Duplicate again. We have the last duplicate. Also here we have duplicate, and on another side here we have it. Duplicate again. We have another duplicate, duplicate, and here we have it. Also I will forget this. So here we have it. Right now I will just select the color here of this one. For example, this one I will select this color, also this one. Then we have this, the last one here. So right now I will write here, for example, name. Then here we have here I will write, for example, days. Then here we have, so I will just put it again. Then we have here, for example, marks. So right now I will write the names here, for example, Mark. Then we have, I will just select here the color, delete this mark, we'll write another one. So I'll select the color. Here we have it. So for guys Lionel, for example, or write for example here Anna, or here write for example Selena. Then I will write here also, I will just write it here for color. Here we have black, right here for names. We have days here. And then we have marks. I'll write here, for example, Monday. Here we choose the white color. For example, here Friday. Then I have also here Tuesday. Then we have here Thursday. Then we have here, for example, Friday, or I already write it Wednesday, for example, Wednesday. Then we have here marks, for example, here 8. I'll select also here 9. For example, 10, 7, you have 6 also here. So this is my table, as you can see. I will right now delete this one. This is my table. So this is it. So Canva simplifies the process of creating attractive tables, making it accessible for users of all skill levels. With easy customization options for layouts, colors, and text, you can effectively organize and present your information. Mastering table design in Canva enhances your virtual content, whether for presentations, reports, or personal projects. Happy designing! So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.